done other little changes? Because I think when I first saw the car, it had white wheels.
Oh my god, they were awful.
Yeah, and I was thinking,
them wheels, all four were curved. How does a man curve all four wheels? I understand females,
yeah,
but all four wheels.
So we're in the R32, guys. As you can see, this one's very unique. It's got a very special feature, which is the exhaust. A lot of people will want to know why you've done the exhaust. So, what's going on?
So basically, I put a Mark 6 exhaust on it for a better sound. Didn't give me anything better, so I wanted a custom exhaust. I've seen a few around with fully custom exhausts. I've seen a Mark 4 Golf R32, a German guy owns it.
Okay.
And so I thought I'd get one built for myself. So the exhaust in itself is a V in the middle, and then because I've got a V6, there's 3 cowls on each side for V6.
Okay, so there is a story behind it. A lot of people will maybe link this exhaust to one that's on a Mark 7.
Yep.
But I think, and I believe, I could be wrong, this is the first type of exhaust on a Mark 5, to my knowledge anyway.
Yep, to my knowledge, it's the first of its kind on the Mark 5. The Mark 4's been done, obviously the Mark 7's done.
Okay.
But to my knowledge, yeah, the Mark 5.
This is the Mark 5. Do you find this improved performance at all?
No, I didn't have it done for performance. It's literally for sound and looks.
Okay. And is this the first modified car you've had, or you've had others before?
I've had others before, but this is purely my own stamp. It's not finished yet. I have other people's input on other cars, but this one's purely mine.
Okay. Yeah. So where are we going with this build then?
Forced induction. I'm probably going to put a supercharger on it.
Okay.
So I'm going to do what I want to do aesthetically, and then work under the hood.
Okay, so what sort of power can you get out of this once you put the supercharger on?
I mean, I'd like 1,000 brake, but
spaceship car, eh?
yeah. Its handling capabilities of this car is ridiculous.
Yeah.
It outhandles a lot of things on the road. But yeah, I'd like 1,000 brake, we'll see.
What's the sort of reception you get online from the little mod you've done on this car then?
Varies. People love it or hate it. It's like Marmite. I think it's like Marmite.
Kind of
I get some nice reception, but then you also get negative, but it doesn't bother me the slightest.
Yeah, the thing is, like I was saying to you off camera, is that you're going to get people that's not going to like someone's mods on their car, but in the car scene we can't all be the same. We've got to be slightly different. As I was saying earlier, if we all had the same car, it wouldn't really make a car scene, because it'd be quite boring. So fair play to you for doing something different. And also you've got some special buckets in the car as well. You can't forget that.
Yeah. So I had Recaro windbacks in the car, and I fancied a change, so I took them out and I put the RS3 Misano anniversary seats in.
Okay.
They were a special edition to go in the RS3.
I believe they were made by Cobra.
Yeah. Cobra made them.
Okay, they've done it specifically for the RS3, right?
Yep, this edition that I've got in the car, yeah. They do a standard plain black version, but I'm going with a black and red theme, so they were the perfect seats to put in the car.
So apart from the exhaust, what other goodies have you done on the car?
So I've got carbon wing mirrors.
Okay.
And I've changed my wheels. So I've got BBSs, but they're colour coded to my bodywork.
Okay, it's split rims, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So how long you reckon you're going to keep this car for? Is it a forever car?
Oh yeah, I would never sell this. They will never make another one.
Yeah.
And I quite like things they're not going to make. Like one of a kind. Yeah, the V6 will.
This is the last of its kind, eh?
Yeah. So I've also got a Fiat CEO Schumacher Edition 2.4 GP Pro Edition.
Okay.
And that's like a little go-kart. So I like my little hot hatches.
So a lot of people would want to know where you got the exhaust done. Are you able to spill the beans?
Yep, so I got the exhaust done at Stockworks, a guy named Ollie. It's in Bury St Edmunds.
Okay. And how did you feel when you got the exhaust, or got the car back, sorry?
Ecstatic, to be fair.
Okay.
So I was extremely happy with it. Ollie's a perfectionist anyway. So he knew what I wanted after a couple of going backs, like to and fro him.
Okay, so what made you want to get this particular exhaust done?
I'd seen a few other exhausts, and I'd recently been to the Japanese show, and they have some crazy exhausts on their Jap cars.
Yeah.
But I didn't want anything that's going to ruin, like I've got to come through my bonnet or anything. And the fact I've got a V6, I thought, why not do the V in the middle and then the 6 girls.
Yeah, no, it's definitely a unique design.
Oh, it's like Marmite. You either love it, you hate it.
Yeah, definitely.
I love it. To be fair, we haven't got 5 though. I've got 2 dogs. But I let in the car, which I can hate them for anyway. But they're my children, so. But now I've got these seats, and they won't be allowed in them. And they're going to change the back seat as well. So.
The seats are quite comfy, you know.
Do you think? I think for a female they're fine, but I think.
I actually think these are quite comfy. Surprisingly comfy, actually.
Have you been in the Recaro bucket seat?
Yeah, I used to have it in my Sirocco.
They are so comfortable.
Yeah. What, as I said to you before, when I first got it, I was contemplating getting rid of them. People that know me know I'm talking the truth. But alright, let's wrap it up, guys. Tracy, thanks for coming down. It is a very unique exhaust you've got. Guys, it's one of those cars you have to see it to actually appreciate it. It actually does look quite nice in the flesh. As I said, thanks for coming down. If you want to follow this car, Instagram handle is Mark5 Golf Girl. Make sure that you like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up. And until next time, guys, it's your boy Wavy and I'm out.
So I bought them curbs, and then I didn't even know they were white when I bought them. I thought they were grey. That's how dirty they were.
Just wasn't like, didn't really look after it.
No, but I wanted them,
Yeah.
so I got them.
I mean, the wheels are a nice wheel. It is definitely a nice wheel. I've had this debate with myself and others if I should get air ride, not for my current car, but for another build. And a lot of people I find that slate air ride don't actually have air ride or never had it before.
Yeah.
And I'm one of those people that used to have something to say about air ride, but I've never had air ride, so how can I say, oh, it's rubbish? The car wasn't cleaned at the time I did see
God,
it.
no.
Then when you pulled up today, I thought, this actually looks quite nice. It does look quite nice. Maybe not something everyone would like, or maybe something
No.
I wouldn't do it myself,
No.
but I don't think it looks outrageous.